Well, it's starting out nice, but it's very moist out there when you walk outside.
Yeah, it's an accurate way to put it. Yeah, it's very cloudy, very moist, very muggy. We started out this morning near 70 degrees.
Nice. Yes, that was nice.
That's some Texas weather for you.
Yes, it was.
And not much is going to change. We're going to have a very light temperature swing from this morning into the afternoon. Starting our day off around 70 and 69 at best, but also warming up to near 75 and 76 in the afternoon. So not a big temperature jump from the morning to the afternoon, and it's very muggy out there. There's no fog at the moment. Temperatures are still near 71 right now. If you're getting out, you won't need the jacket. It'll be breezy, though, up to about 21 miles per hour sustained out of the southeast, and that's what helping bump up dew points and humidity and also the cloud cover in the next couple hours. Right now, your temperatures for this morning out the door, if you're getting out on the roadways or also just out to work, 68 in Alice, 68 in George West, 70 in Beeville. The cool spot right now, Hebbronville, at 66 degrees, 70 in Falfurrias. You can see the dew points, they don't change much from the temperature, and that's because we have a lot of saturation at the surface, a lot of cloud cover, and lots of humidity. Remember, in the summertime, we sit in the low to mid 70s. These are upper to mid 60s right now for the fifth to sixth day of winter so far. So after Christmas, we're dealing with very humid conditions, and pretty much all across the state of Texas is dealing with it too, with the exception of Amarillo. They're sitting in the 40s right now, 61 in Dallas. Only about 10 degrees different from here in Corpus Christi, 71. Cooler out north, 23 in Denver. They saw a nice white Christmas yesterday, 32. Freezing in Salt Lake City. And there is an upper level system that we're watching that'll sweep across the plains in the next 24 to 36 hours. As it does so, some good thunderstorm potential along with severe weather potential as it crosses over in the Texas Panhandle and portions of northern Texas as well. You can see the nice little swirl out just south of the Four Corners region, just east of Phoenix, crossing over into portions of New Mexico and Amarillo as well. A better way to look at it is water vapor. We call it the X-ray of the atmosphere. You can see the nice dip in the upper level flow as it's turning out in front of it. Good lift and good instability as it's moving east into the northern mountains of Mexico and then ultimately into the Big Bend area of West Texas. Right now, don't have to worry about the rain. Mainly drizzle out for the next 12 to 14 hours. Near 70 starting our day. Warm and breezy. We'll see winds up to about 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the south. And what to expect for the next couple days and hours, really gray and gloomy for today. Windy forecast is up ahead and increasing rain chances over the next day or so, and then clearing out nicely by Thursday morning and also Friday as well. Winds are still out of the southeast, 15 to 20 miles per hour. We'll see them gust to near 25 to 30 miles per hour today, so very windy. Not as windy as we saw last week, but a very windy forecast is up ahead, and just maybe some light drizzle at best crossing over from Kingsville and Alice and Orange Grove in the last hour or so, but mainly just cloud cover, very gray and gloomy out for this day after Christmas, and that's pretty much what everyone's dealing with across the Lone Star State. Some light drizzle out in the Panhandle near the I-27 corridor, and as this front begins to move east, out in front of it, plenty of moisture you saw in water vapor and even radar and satellites. That's supplying the lift and also the supply we need to trigger off some showers. But by Friday afternoon and even Thursday, we're on that back side of that low pressure system, and we're looking at pretty clear skies for Thursday and Friday, but they do come back for the weekend as well. So severe weather risk mainly north of San Antonio into Austin. We do have a marginal risk for the northern counties in the coastal bend, but when you get down into Corpus Christi, mainly just light to moderate showers at best as we approach tomorrow morning early. Rain chance very slim, drizzle at best, and it peaks by Thursday morning around 4 to 5 a.m. And that's what we're looking at for best chances for the forecast. Half an inch of rainfall here in the coastal bend, and out the door today, the chance of thunderstorms are possible. I do think it's just going to be drizzle at best for the next few hours into the afternoon as well. Mild forecast, 76 for the high temperature for tomorrow. Nice sunshine for the end of the week. And as we get into the weekend, rain chances do come back into the forecast as we have another cold front on the way. This one will be a little bit stronger as it does bring things from the 70s down to the 60s and even in the overnight lows into the 40s for Sunday and for Monday. Brian?
Thank you, Ryan. It was wall-to-wall Christmas Day NBA action right here on TV3. Chris Thomason has the holiday highlights in the mornings.